Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set app permission into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do, simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, you will get an option called privacy and security. If you click on that, then if you scroll down a little bit, you will find app permissions and you will get all bunch of options. If you go for the location, you will get all that apps are allowing this app location into your Windows 11. Or if you just want to go for this camera option, you will get all that apps are showing turn on. Those are creating the camera access or giving the camera access into your Windows 11. Also, you can customize it by simply come on app section, go for installed apps, and then if you select any of apps like I'm choosing Armory Crate, take on the vertical line and go for advanced option. If you go for the advanced option, you will get to option called app permission. You can see the location access is turned off, in microphone it's turned it on. So this is how you can set app permission into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.